Hello friends, today we will learn the recipe of easy and tempting sambar. So let's begin. So for making sambar, I have taken here 1.5 cup of pigeon pea or tur dal. We have to wash the tur dal nicely. Now I have washed my tur dal. Add tur dal to the pressure cooker, and into this goes in around 2 cups of water. For making sambar, first we have to prepare the dal. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt to taste. Here I am adding 4 to 5 drops of oil that will prevent the dal from coming out of the pressure cooker. Mix this. Now cover the lid and let the dal cook on medium flame for around 4 to 5 whistles. So 4 whistles are done, and now let's check on our dal. Here you can see it has a very thick consistency and it has been cooked very well. Now keep it aside and let's go to the process of making sambar. So for sambar, in vegetables I have taken potatoes, onions, tomatoes, ladyfinger, bottle gourd and brinjals. You can use the vegetables of your choice except the cabbage. Now you can either directly put these vegetables to the dal or you can use the other way. That's my way. For that, heat a pan and add little oil. Once the oil is hot, we will add all the vegetables that we had chopped directly to the pan. Now saute the vegetables for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. We don't have to overcook this, we just have to fry this for 2 to 3 minutes. Now our vegetables has been sauteed for 2 to 3 minutes and they are looking lovely. Now switch off the flame. And now it is the time to add the fried vegetables to dal. So I am adding all the vegetables to the dal. Now mix everything together. And here the consistency of the dal is very thick, so just to make it a little thin, I am adding 1 cup of water. Mix everything. You can see our dal is looking very lovely, very colorful. Now cover the lid and cook dal along with the vegetables for 1 whistle on medium flame. 1 whistle is done. It's time to check on the sambar. So you can see the vegetables has been cooked perfectly. You can see it's cutting very easily. So our vegetables are cooked. And now we will move to the next process. For this, turn on the heat and keep the pressure cooker and bring it to a boil. Once the dal is boiling, into this we will add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of red chili powder and 2 tablespoons or 3 to 4 teaspoons of sambar masala. Into this I am adding 1/4 cup of tamarind juice. For making tamarind juice, I have boiled the tamarind in water, mashed them and taken out the pulp and mixed the pulp with little water. You can even use the ready-made tamarind juice that are available in market. Now we will mix everything together. after mixing this, we will bring to a boil. Once it's come to a boil, switch off the flame and our sambar is ready. You can see it's looking very tempting, very nice. Now the next process is tempering. So for tempering, heat a tadka pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1/4 teaspoons of red mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida or hing, 2 dry red chilies, 4 to 5 chopped garlic, and 10 to 15 curry leaves. Fry the temperings. Now add the tempering to the dal and cover the lid and keep it like this for 1 minute so that all the flavor should be absorbed by the sambar. Mix everything together, the sambar and tadka. Here you can see it's looking very yummy, very tempting, and it tastes as well. So now the process of plating. Here I have taken out my sambar. You can see it's looking very delicious, very colorful. So do try this recipe at home and do like, comment and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.